Cowboys and Cowgirls, this is Chuck at Cultured Cowboy again. Have you got a hat that looks like this now? This hat has been well worn, well used, but they went to go get it and it had a little bit of problem. Part of what we do at Cultured Cowboy is our hat services. So if you have a hat like this, you want it to look like this new one again, bring it by Cultured Cowboy. We got hats, we got the tools to repair, recondition your hats, anything in the world you might need. Straws, felts, they keep your head warm, they keep the cancer off your ears. Y'all enjoy. Cultured Cowboy, Greenwood, South Carolina. Y'all give us a call, 864-223-3700. We'll be glad to help you. In fact, bring your old hats by. We might just have some fun with them. While you're here, there's a subscribe button. There's a bell you can ring. Get some notifications. Videos getting stronger and stronger, and we want to be a part of your life. We really do. Not to be intrusive, but just to be fun and happy. So, subscribe if you like. The channel's Cultured Cowboy on YouTube. Y'all enjoy.